back to my
Not
YouTube.
welcome back.
Sorry.
This is the
Welcome
first.
to my YouTube. Yes.
This is
My YouTube channel, not hers. If you want to follow it, you can. I'll mention it somewhere here.
somewhere over there.
So decided that
No, first of all, tell them where are we?
we are on our way back home to Hyderabad.
From Nellore.
We are on
Vande Bharath.
Vande Bharath.
Vande Bharath.
Vande Bharath train. So it's 7:30 and we'll probably reach Hyderabad by 11:30, 11:40.
11:40.
So till then, we got little food. I'll show you food, little snacks. We
We got
got
our
our
snacks and chicky and
oat biscuits.
oat biscuits.
Video this. My dad is also here.
Let's do taste test.
We'll taste aloo.
Not bad.
Edible. Bunch of masala.
Something is better than nothing.
So
So
we crossed Ongol recently. I mean, not recently, 1 hour back. And I think the next stop is.
I don't know anything.
As if she knows.
Obviously, I don't know
I
that.
think it's Guntur. So we're going to reach Guntur by 7:45. Just like
Can
in
you order food from outside?
train aagede 1 minute. From where will you get the food?
By 8 or 8:30, I guess.
So we are going to have food.
And then we'll let you know how it tastes. I guess we'll get non-veg.
Yeah. My dad booked non-veg. Like we had an option of choosing for veg, non-veg, and like no option. And then I wanted no option, but then my dad was like, nah, chicken is good, non-veg. Let's hope it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I watch videos where people do mukbangs.
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
No,
Mukbang.
it's mukbang.
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 I want my phone.
Huh?
I want my phone.
No, my phone will fall off. I have a tripod and she has a dongle, and they are in our suitcases.
Dude, I guess I have my dongle in my bag.
You don't move. I'll move.
It's in that bag.
I'll show you our chocolates, which probably melted away already.
Thankfully, this surface didn't melt.
Oh wait, no, I'm eating one. Look at this. Yeah. Ta-da! Chocolate. So this is how we are sitting. That's my dad working, and that's people. We are back,
Yes.
but we don't have food.
Another.
I just wanted to show you the tray.
It's uncle's idea.
My dad's idea. So we'll show you our seats first. So this is our seat, and this is the front part, and this is the walkway. So two people can sit over there, and this is a 3-seater. And we have plug points over there. Those are the plug points. So every seat has a plug point. So
To put something over here.
yeah, and this is the table where you can put food. Where's food? And food. Food and food.
And also other stuff.
And this is Saiti. That's our suitcase. So this train has 2 sections, like EC and CC, I think. So EC is like there are 2 chairs and walkway and then 2 chairs. And we are in CC, which is 3 chairs and then 2 chairs. In like the cost of the seats is like 1100, and then if you include the meals, then it will go up to like include the meals and GST and railway charges and all, it will go up till 1500 for the economy class, and then for the higher class it's around 1700.
Doors open unless
I'll tell you a fun fact. We went away to the front and then we were at the back. So we had to run and we got in C1, that is the first compartment, and we had to walk all the way till compartment 5. And I didn't know that the doors would open once the doors get closed. I was panicking and then I was rushing her to walk fast and block the door. But then my dad was like,
You have to press a button over there.
it can get a little chilly here, like it's a bit cold, so it's better to carry a shalwa or a jacket. Like people like her don't need anything. She's living on light clothes and I'm wearing a jacket. This is her jacket. I like to be warm. She likes to be cold. Like you only.
Like
you know?
you.
No, like
Like
you know,
you.
what did she say? She's like, when we get on the train, will there be any empty seats? And I'm like, why? And then she's like, to click pictures. Now you tell me who's the picture maniac. She's a picture.
Same goes to her.
And we are just vlogging because we have nothing else to do. There's no network. No
She was
profit.
there when she was booking the tickets. So she knows. How many
I know
people-
what. How will I know how many people are coming?
Because you only told, right? There were only 10 tickets available.
Left.
Yeah,
But how
so-
will I know what if someone cancelled in the middle?
And how will RAC people sit?
I'll Google and I'll let you know.
I guess no one will get such kind of doubts.
This goes from Tirupati to Secunderabad and then it has like 5 stops overall. So it's like Tirupati, Nellore, Ongole, Guntur, Nalgonda and then Secunderabad.
I know nothing.
And then now I have nothing else to tell. You have anything to tell?
Shall we do this best friend tag thing?
That will do another video, not now.
Fine. Make cooking videos?
Next time.
No.
Now where will you cook? We'll get back to you. She's high on I don't know
Sugar.
what. Yeah, sugar. We'll come back. Try to come back soon. Try to come back soon.
Bye-bye.
Food is here. So finally our food is here. So we'll show you our food. We have classic curd.
And what is this?
Pickle. Mango. Is it mango?
No, mixed pickle.
It's a mixed pickle. A chupichava. And then next, we have chapati. 2 chapatis. And they're very thick.
Yes.
Wait.
So next we have all the boxes which we can't lift. So this is chicken curry. This is white rice. And what is it? It's some dal.
So this is your whole meal. This is the spork that they gave. A spork. So now let's eat. I'm going to try chapati first.
You take taste जैसे अच्छे लगेगा.
With chicken. Chicken is nice. It's a bit spicy. But I don't eat spice. She eats spicy. There's a lot of oil in it. And next we'll try papu. This is papu. Tea papu. Let me try.
That's nice.
The food is actually nice. Let me try rice also.
Basmati rice.
No,
Then why is this rice so...
it's very dry. See,
No, see the length.
the rice is, it's not basmati. So I approve. Do you approve? She also. Oh, just enjoy watching us eat. Taste is good. I expected the taste
But I
not to
don't
be
want
good.
chapati.
Yeah, the chapati is too thick.
How do people usually talk while eating? one whole chapati.
I had half, at least. Okay, we can have it.
But you said you'll have one whole chapati.
I thought. I spilled food on her jacket. So she took it back from me.
Because that's not my jacket.
Are we supposed to film everything?
Switch it off.
Can I switch it off? I'll switch. I'm just waiting for like some interesting conversation to happen. But she's not talking. She's not like this. This is not Saiti. This is her. She's a Gemini. So this is her twin emerging and doing all this shit of not talking. She talks. She's telling nothing. Bye-bye. We'll get back to you. We gave you review. Now we'll go and eat. Okay?
Talk.
ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది టాక్ అని చెప్పి నువ్వు మాట్లాడు ఇందాక నుంచి I'm only talking.
I'm struggling to eat food so that I won't spill it on my
I'm also eating. Bye. So
I don't look good on my...
she's not talking.
If you want one more piece.
Okay, so we'll get back to you now. Bye.
7 0
We just finished eating food. It's very spicy.
I'm sleepy.
Even I am sleeping.
Tirupati, Secunderabad,
Chalky.
Vande Bharath Express.
పంపించేస్తాం డాక్యుమెంట్స్ అన్ని
No.
So, hope you had a good review about the train.
Yes. And what should I do?
Probably have a
We are
safe.
so grateful for everything, for food, for this what shelter.
Okay.
So thanks.
So yeah, hope you guys will have a safe journey and hopefully the video was helpful. And it is almost 10:30 I think, and we'll reach home
10:45.
10:45. We'll reach home. I mean, we'll reach the station by 11:15. We're arriving early. It's what is showing in the
I
tracking.
can't wait to get home
She's going home tomorrow morning.
after whole 1 week.
Have a safe trip. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more, I guess.
Like, share, and
Subs-
comment. No,
Like,
share,
comment and subscribe to our channels. Hopefully she'll start soon, but I have no hope.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Okay then, bye. Bye. See you probably in my next video. Okay.
How many times did you tell me?
How many ever times I want.